want to show you guys some products that I think you need. I really think you need to at least try at least 1, 2, maybe 3 of the products that I'm about to mention. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get into it. So I got this steamer gun from Amazon. Oh, let me give you a little bit of backstory. So I am obsessed, literally I am obsessed with Deeper Than Hair's YouTube channel. I love her YouTube channel. Like, I will watch her cut hair, dye hair, bleach hair, do a sew-in, gel some edges. I don't care. I love her channel. It's always so therapeutic. And so I seen her do a video one time where she was steaming client's hair. It was just having this steam everywhere. It was just looking so just luxurious, and I'm here for Black women living in luxury. I'm here for it. So I was like, I want that. So I ordered it, and I didn't get it for a month. It was honestly on back order, but when it came, I was excited. I haven't used it yet, so I did play with it. You know, I tested it out to see how it works. Really nice. So you just put the water in this part right here, and you just turn it on, let it heat up, and then you can control with the nozzle right here how intense you want the steam to go. And so it's really nice because filling it at one time is enough for like one steam session. You know, I don't want to over hydrate my hair. I was interested in the CeraVe, but the CeraVe was like really small, and it just wasn't giving me, like, you know, you want to see, I want to see like the steam everywhere and stuff like that. I also wanted to use this on like other people's hair, not just me, because I just love seeing the steam and seeing people relax when you wash their hair, and it definitely gives that. Now I don't know if it's meant to be a hair steamer, because the box said it's a car atomizer or something like that, but I'm using it to steam my hair and just to give me more hydration when I'm washing my hair, because I don't wash my hair as often. So I really like to get as much moisture in my hair as possible. One of the items that I'm most excited about using, the steamer gun. So if you have this, let me know. Do you like it? Do you think it's worth it? It was like $50, honestly, y'all. I don't know how much the other steamers are, but I didn't want to sit under a hooded dryer thing, because I tried that at my friend's house, and I didn't really, it was just too much trying to set it up and sit on the floor and all this and that. You know, like, my collection of hair tools has been growing, and I really didn't even notice. So first one I'm going to show you guys is my new hot comb. So I got this hot comb from Amazon, especially like my last girl trip. Stuff was everywhere, and it's like everyone had the same hot comb. So I really wanted the pink one because it stands out, it looks different, and this is a really good quality one. I also like that you can control the temperature, unlike the one that you put on the stove. You can't really control that one. So I love this one. I love that it has a little stand here to keep it from, you know, keep it off surfaces, not like I have to put it in a napkin or whatever to test how hot it is and all that other stuff I was doing with the other hot comb. So I really like this one. I love the color, I love the quality of it. I've used it a few times, but I mostly got it for my wigs to kind of help me lay the parts down or just flatten them out a bit. So I really like this tool, and it was like $20 on Amazon. I will link it below, you guys. So next up I have the Easy Dryer Iron. I'm sorry. So this is a blow dry brush, very similar to like the Revlon. If I'm not mistaken, this one is Black owned. I am pretty sure that this one is Black owned. I think it's the same company that made those detangling brushes. I'm not 100% sure, y'all. Let me know in the comments, because I've been seeing this one on Instagram. I kept seeing it on Instagram, and I just really want to try it. I looked it up on YouTube, and there wasn't that many reviews, so I definitely want to do a review on this. So be on the lookout for that. I do plan to take out this protective style like in a couple weeks or so, or maybe even this week. I don't know, it depends, but I do want to actually use this soon. So if you were thinking about purchasing it, go ahead and turn on your notifications so you know when I'm going to be doing the review on this. And y'all know I am honest with my product reviews. So just from first impressions, it is very lightweight. I think it might be even lighter than the Revlon. I do love that it kind of curves. It's not straight, but I like that curve there. I love the color. It has cool, low, and high settings. So I think this one it's air either on both sides or the top. But like I said, I'm gonna do a more in-depth review of it, but I did want to just come on here and show you guys this new blow dryer brush that I got. And I'm excited. I'm going to double check that it's black owned, but I'm pretty sure it is. So y'all know I always love to support a black owned brand. Let me know if you already have this brush, if you like it, if it gets the job done, what you thinking, stuff like that. So let me know in the comments. So I have two styling tools here from Duvolle. Duvolle sent me over these items, and let me tell y'all, they're really good. They are really good quality items. I seen them on YouTube and I'm like, yeah, they're paying those people to say that, or it can't be all that or whatever. Now I will say, when Duvolle reached out to me to talk about the items, I didn't want the cheaper ones. I wanted the more expensive ones, because I'm like, well, why not? You know, I want to put your more expensive items to the test. So I got the flat iron. Now the titanium flat iron is different from the pink one that you guys may have seen. This one is amazing. It gets my kinky straight wigs super straight, and I love the heat. I love how it straightens. It's very smooth. It's different from my regular like Sally's flat iron that I have. So if you are looking to upgrade your flat iron, try titanium, especially if you're trying to straighten like kinkier, coarser hair. Now I will say that the thermal control on the titanium is not as smooth as my ceramic, but it's very nice, and it goes from between 270 and 450. What I love about the curling wand is the consistency and curl. If you have like long, thick hair, you can curl it really quickly and get really nice, effortless curls. Unlike my other smaller wand that kind of like tapers down, this one's gonna give you a nice thick curl all throughout. It gets super hot. You cannot control the heat. Now so I don't know how this would work on natural hair, but as far as my kinky straight wig, I'll put some pictures up. It does an amazing job. Both of these do an amazing job for my kinky straight hair, so that's why I wanted to mention them. So next here I have the Tyotronics body massager. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna link it below, the real name of it, y'all. But this was one of my Valentine's Day gifts. It's a body massager, and it's a really nice tool if you are a person that has aches and pains, or you just like some massages, or you like to release like the tension from your shoulders. It's a really nice gift. We in the panini right now, everybody doesn't feel comfortable going out getting massages. It has several different detachable pieces, and you just pop them on. It's so easy. Literally, you just pop them on like that, and you just turn it on, and you can choose the level of intensity you want it to go. This one goes on your neck, as y'all can see the shape right there. So you'll just pop that on, turn it on, and then you'll just place it where, you know, where you want it to. It's really good at relieving the tension, especially in your upper neck area. There's a pamphlet that actually tells you which pieces are best for which pressure points and stuff with the body, so you can look over that. It feels good to get a massage and not have to go out in the panoramic. One thing I will say, is hard to like get the massager back with it, but once you figure out, you know, angles and stuff like that that are comfortable for you, or if you have a family member or partner around that can help you, you know, use one of these tools, I feel like it won't be such a chore to give a massage if you have this. So this is something to look into if you like getting massages. I started using a hair removal cream. So with me, y'all know I'm trying to budget more, and waxes are something that I enjoy getting, but they're not necessary. But I don't like having body hair, and I don't like shaving, so this is a good alternative, the Veet gel cream hair remover. Now I don't know what chemicals they had in here before for it to now be 35% less chemicals. That's what it says right there, but they said they got less chemicals, and this is a sensitive hair removal gel cream. So actually I got inspiration to purchase this by two people. One of my friends who was like, why are you still paying for waxes? Put that down. And I was like, why? Why? My waxes are fine. Now I'm not gonna lie, this doesn't give me the same feeling I get when I get a fresh wax, but it's very close. It is very close, and it's pain-free, and it doesn't smell as bad. It smells kind of like a lightweight perm, I'll say that, but it doesn't smell nearly as bad as like Nair used to smell. If y'all know about Nair, you apply it on the spatula, you distribute it thinly on the areas you want to remove the hair, and you scrape it off, and then when you're in the shower, all the hair comes off in the shower, and you can, I don't know, exfoliate if you want to or whatever. So I don't plan on using this a lot. I've used it once in the beginning of February actually, and yeah, it's pretty good. The results is like when you get a wax a month later, the hair comes back, but it's fine. So there's that. Now I will continue to use this and I'll update you guys, but I haven't gotten any chemical burns or anything like that. And this was like less than $20 on Amazon. I just got it on Amazon because I didn't feel like looking for it in the store. But I also have the Emergency Elderberry Immune Plus. This is a dietary supplement, and it's high potency of vitamin C and vitamin D, which I really needed because it got extremely cold here in Texas. It started snowing. It also has zinc in it, and I don't know if y'all know this, but zinc is actually good for your hair too. So it's kind of like I get my immune system boost. It tastes good. This is the elderberry flavor, and if y'all know about elderberry is really good for immune system health. So I would try this out. I stumbled on this at Walmart. They didn't have the regular orange citrus flavor, and I like the taste of this one. It kind of tastes like grape juice. It doesn't taste like, not the medicine grape, but the good grape, you know what I mean? It has a little bit of fizzle to it. Just started using this, but I have to tell y'all about it. The CeraVe Hydrating Cleansing Bar. So they have a bigger version of this, like the actual, I think it's a foam wash, or it's a bigger cleanser, and they have two formulas. They have the formula that's for makeup removal and the regular formula. I like the regular formula only because I don't wear makeup that often. This has hyaluronic acid in it. It won't clog your pores. It's fragrance free, gentle on the skin, non-drying, and paraben free. And it has 5% moisturizing cream in it, so it's gonna lock in the moisture. I needed this because when we had that snowstorm and those extremely cold temperatures, I didn't know what to do, y'all. I didn't know what, my skin was so dry. So I started using this. This is how the bar looks. It's just a white bar, and right now I'm only using it like for my face and my, you know, my neck area and my chest to stay moisturized. But after experiencing cold like that, coming from Florida, my skin was like not having it. So I started incorporating this. This is only $4 if you want to try this out and not pay like, what is it, 13, $12 or 13 for the bigger liquid gel formula. In my last video, the fragrance free haul, I showed you guys some products, but I wish I knew about this one then. I would have included it, but I just wanted to mention it now. Saw a difference in a matter of like 2 days, and I'm not even joking. So give this video a thumbs up, like I said, if you enjoyed this video. Engagement really helps my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one.